How's it going, guys? This is Austin with Gift Construction and Gutters. I specialize in a lot of exterior construction projects, gutter guards, gutter cleanings. Been working with Josh for a while now, and he's been awesome. From a monetary standpoint, we've seen our sales go up almost 300%. Quality of leads are amazing. We close normally between 4 and 5 out of 10. It's just been an extremely productive relationship for both of us. Would strongly recommend him and his marketing company for anybody that is looking to get some help and seeking some new business and getting some new leads. Go Bengals.